Good morning, champs. Today is Tuesday, May 5th. There is a note about boxing and Muhammad Ali that you can learn on the side, and there's a kickboxing activity to kind of go along with the theme of it. If you'd like, you can tell someone your favorite workout or game from gym or PE today. Today's focus is another review video about equivalent fractions. Today's using number lines instead of area models, and a freckle assignment. For reading, you'll watch a video, continue to research, and add to Padlet. Writing, you're going to add to your write long. And for social studies, there's going to be the chapter 2 from the Who Was Sacagawea book, along with a Lewis and Clark video that will help you better understand what's happening in the story. Today's theme is Thoughtful Tuesday. Help out around the house by doing an extra chore today. So you can help fold laundry, help wash dishes, dry dishes, sweep the floor, vacuum. Maybe it's just taking care of a younger sibling, but try and do something a little extra for your parents today. Again, for social studies, there's the Brain Pop video on Lewis and Clark. This again will give you some background information for chapter 2 of Who Was Sacagawea. Please remember to log in with your Google at EBNet accounts. Otherwise, you will not be able to access Brain Pop. For reading, our goal is still to use all you know about reading and research strategies to plan a new study about a topic and use an explaining voice to read with fluency. There's a teacher video that's going to model researching using the links today, as well as the types of comments and feedback you can put on Padlet. You're going to research your tribe using the links provided. You can click here for the links, and it'll come up with like bullet point list of your links, or on the next slide, I added link 1, 2, 3 to each of your individual tribes, so whichever way is easiest for you to access. Please remember your subtopics as you're researching: climate, location, and tools and resources. These are the top headings that are going to be listed on Padlet, and each of your tribes has their own Padlet that you can go and add to, just like you did last week. Here are the examples from the teacher video so that you can see and get an idea of what your post should look like. For writing, there is another video for you to watch today, and you're going to be rereading your write long from yesterday and adding to it. Today's write long is only for 3 minutes instead of 5 minutes, and I'd like you to try to use at least one of the sentence starters over at the side. Again, I have added my write long from yesterday along with my additional write long from today. You'll notice that it's shorter because, again, it's spending less time on it. For math, here's the equivalent fractions video for using a number line, and then it tells you which freckle assignment to do today. Science, there are your optional volcano activities, and then of course, here are some Mother's Day ideas on different things that you can start to put together or create for your moms for the weekend. If you have any questions, I'm here all day to help. Good luck!